Hi there and welcome back. Now we stay at the available markets, and this is very important here. Or they give you many information, so based on what you want to trade. Now, as we saw a little bit before, if you want to pay to deal on forex, I mean 10 pairs are enough. The question is, do I really need 90 or 70? Most of them offer 30 pairs. Almost everybody offers the 10 that we saw a little bit before. But, you know, sometimes there are people who said that, well, I'm coming from, I don't know, Poland, so I want to trade, I don't know, the Polish whatever is Florint, or I'm coming from Bulgaria, so I want to trade Bulgaria. So then it can be that these brokers don't have it, but the other one has it. Well, crypto is the same. I mean, do you really want to deal with many cryptos? Then it's okay. I would prefer then to go directly to an exchange, because normally they don't have a large spread. And then the same goes for the others. I mean, for stocks, IG is the biggest on the market. I think there are only one or two other brokers who have like 6,000 or 8,000 stocks. Most of them have an average of maybe 100 to 250 stocks that you can buy. I mean, if we're honest, 200 stocks are really enough. You can't overlook so many. The most important markets are like the liquid markets, which is the US market, and in Europe it's the German market, which has a very good and fast system, and you know, the other big markets. But if you have the Euro stock 50, then it's also enough. And well, then you have options. Not many platforms offer futures. Futures, let's say you want, for example, to bet on the Nasdaq, and you buy the Nasdaq and the indice, like here. Then maybe you have a spread of 2 points, and you pay only $1 for each point. But if you buy the same as a future, then maybe you pay, depending if the future contract is small or big, like for each point $4 or $25. So these are only for professionals, and there exist other professional platforms for it, but whatever you want to. There are also people who bet on options. It's like, yeah, many people do it. I think you are more served if you want to bet on options with the local broker than having a general broker. And but I mean, you have to choose here. And then again, of course, depending what you want to trade, bonds. You can also go to your bank, and normally they have a large choose of bonds you want to buy for long term. You don't buy them here because normally you pay more fees for long term than at the traditional bank account. And so, okay, whatever you want to trade here, you have to have a look here. This is not really so important, so continue here. Trading execution, yeah, well, that's what we said in the start. It's a direct market access, that you have a directly access to the market and you can sell it directly. I wouldn't prefer a market maker. IG is one of the biggest brokers who have a good support, but they're no market maker. So I would prefer IG Market or Charles Schwab or Pepperstone from AvaTrade. On the long run, you always lose with a market maker. You always be angry because you lost your position, and sometimes you have a very good spread. For example, you want to sell, and then you give you a lower price than and then the average price at other brokers. And then, of course, this is, as you can see here, regarding risk management. Almost everybody has every important order you can place.